All right. Good morning. We are going to do a cold start. I'm going to attempt to get in here through this maze of. It is nice and cold. It's probably 4 degrees this morning. I don't know if you can see my breath. It's freezing. But she should fire right up. Actually pulled the choke out almost all the way. Like 3 little clicks. Turned it on. Do a couple pumps. And it will get in here for you. Get my face out of there. You can see it is cold. Very cold. Good oil pressure. And I just leave it that when it's super cold, I'll leave it the choke out for, I don't know, half a minute, and then I just start to push it in. It's just not winding out. Get a RPM, idle. Still a little bit cold, but trying to give you the idea. She just cruised right along. Healthy old truck. Thanks.